Hey everyone, I'm Mary, and this is my simple cottage life. Hey everybody. Okay, let me show you what I did yesterday. I got the white fence up. White looks pretty good, doesn't it? It's a nice backdrop for my vintage glider and chair. That's a rocker. Those were my mother's. I remember having those when I was a kid. So here's how that works. See the little grommets? Got that to a pole. This is attached to the top of my cattle pen fence, all the way down. And also at the bottom. I put this one up all by myself. Yes, I did. I did not need anybody to help me put this one up. Now this one, these come in 25-foot rolls. They come in 100-foot rolls, but I got the shortest one I could for this section, and it was still too long. Well, here's what I did. I'll show you what I did. Wrapped it around this post, and just wrapped it right on around here, right on around there, all the way down. So this is what the back of it looks like. This is on the inside of the carport. This is what the back looks like. I mean, to tell you, I am not kidding. I got this done, and it didn't take me very long at all. So those of you who think you cannot do it, oh yes you can. Got my lawnmowers in here, all nice and safe with this great mulch down. I love it, love it, love it. Okay, got a little bit more done back here in the back. Y'all, let me tell you what I did. You're gonna get mad at me. I moved this very heavy bird bath by myself. Yes, I did. I had it on another section of the yard, but you couldn't see it and couldn't use it, and it was doing no good over there whatsoever. And I took my little wagon over there. This is one that my son gave me. Boy, this is handy. If you don't have one of those and you work out in the yard, you need it. See here, you can dump things out. So what I did was I took my wagon over there. I rolled this top piece off onto the ground very carefully so it wouldn't break. I took the bottom piece and I pushed my wagon up all the way to it, laid it over on its side and got it in that wagon, pulled it over here. I got a dolly that I had, and I had these big old cement blocks. I used the dolly to help me move that cement block over here. Then I got this base over here, got it off that wagon and up on this cement block. Then I went over there and got this. Now that was a booger, because this is wider a lot wider than the wagon. It took me a long time to get it up there, and I had to physically lift it. And I almost got my finger caught, because I had my finger right down in here, I think. Yeah, right down here. For some reason, pushing down on it, because I had that up high and I was trying to hold this still so I could get that on it. Boy, this came down and got the very tip end of my finger, just the very tip end. Had I had my hand in there just a little bit longer, I would have crushed my finger. I know that. It scared me after I realized what I could have done. It scared me. So, but I lucked out there. I sure did. So, got that bird feeder up. And this one. And I got my hummingbird feeder. And a feeder right over here. And they have a nice shady place for their water. I've got to scrub this out. I've got to clean it. I know I do. And I will get this cleaned up. But I'm so pleased. I am really, really pleased. Everything seems to be going along just fine. My yard's coming along. My flowers are coming along. I've got flowers planted in here. I don't know if they're wildflowers. They're just random seeds. So we'll see what happens. And if any come up, every so often, I see a little seam right there. There's little bitty seeds coming up in here. They're all over everywhere. So I'm gonna see what happens. There's supposed to be wildflowers for birds and butterflies. So we will see. I will be happy to see that. And the tomatoes are doing well. Doing fine, doing fine. This is my blueberry bush I planted. I went ahead and put it in a container right now because it had roots not even that long. And I thought if I could put it in a container, I can move it around from shade to sun or out of the really, really hot sun, control the water and all that. As it gets a little larger, hopefully it will, I will move it right in here somewhere. I think I would like to have it right in here. Okay. All right, y'all. That's all I have to report today. Look, I didn't show y'all these, did I? I put all my sun catchers out here. All of them. And they just twirl in the breeze. They look so good. It's really neat. I like it a lot. Okay, y'all have a great day. Thank you for stopping in with me. As always, I hope God is good to you today. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.